Hi, I'm just going to do a quick little video here of kind of an add-on, I guess, a little bit of an alteration to the gratitude wallet pattern. Now, there's been quite a bit of feedback about wanting to put larger phones in the wallets. And what I found is for something like the Galaxy or the 6 Plus, things like that, the problem is that you can't close the clasps because the wallets sit too high. So I'm just going to give you a really quick addition to the pattern if you want to make it into a longer wallet, and then the phone will sit down farther in that, and then it'll kind of fix everything. So the main body piece and the Peltex piece, you're going to add 2 inches to the total length of that. So add 2 inches there. Now the front and the back slots, those pieces, you're going to add 1 inch to each of those as well. And also, when you get to the trimming instructions, after you've done all the accordion folding, then make sure you add an extra inch onto those as well, onto what the instructions say anyway. So if you add all of that on, you will end up, once it's folded, once it's all put together, you'll end up with an added inch. So the dimensions of your wallet will then be 7.5 inches wide and 6 inches deep instead of 5 inches deep. So that should give you enough room to put your your bigger phones into. So anyway, I have to get back to doing all my kits. I've got all of this beautiful cork. I'm doing up kits for a class, and I have to get back to that. So I hope that helps you. And again, I can't even thank you enough for all of the support. My gratitude wallet pattern is doing really well. The feedback has been fantastic, and I thank you so much.